Delete business page on Facebook. How to delete business page on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it using your Android device as well as an iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this section as you can see now. So all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, so tap on this arrow as you can see, this little arrow. So now as you can see now, make sure now to choose your Facebook page. So as you can see now, I already selected my Facebook page. So after you choose your Facebook page like this one, so now you are in interface of your Facebook page. So all you have to do now in this menu section, so now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says this settings and privacy. So under the settings and privacy, tap on this settings option. So now go to this page settings. Now scroll to down and tap on this access and control. This one, access and control. So now allow it to finish loading. So tap on this section which says deactivation and deletion. Tap on it. Now select this one, delete page, select it and tap on this continue button. So now tap on this continue again. Now scroll to down and tap on this delete account. So now as you can see now it will ask you to confirm your password. After you confirm your password, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. It will delete your Facebook page. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.